Okay, it's me again, guys. Good noon, and then I'm going to make or cook cheesy crab stick lumpia. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need cheese, and then salt, black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, the lumpia wrapper, the crab stick, butter, spring onions, white onions, tomatoes, and then garlic. Add the butter. And then saute the garlic. The lettuce, onions, and the green onions. Okay, next, crab stick. So soy sauce, guys, oyster sauce, black pepper, and salt. Guys, so this is it, guys, and then after this one I'm going to sit aside first. Okay, I'm gonna transfer it here. Okay, guys, so sit aside first, this one. And we're gonna go to the table. Guys, so I'm going to wrap the cheesy crab stick lumpia. Cheesy crab stick lumpia. Okay. Okay, let's cover it. Okay. Cut that one, guys. Okay. Guys, so that's it. Okay. Guys. Okay, guys, so this is it only. Okay. Now we're gonna fry it. Okay, that's it. 3. Guys, it's done. Okay. Nasa sa iba. Let it stand. And then put it here. And then put it here. Because this one is for tasting time. Our cheesy crab stick lumpia is done. Okay, crazy crab stick lumpia. Cheesy crab stick lumpia is done. So we're gonna test it. It's super hot. Mm. 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 It's very cheesy, guys. Mm. Mm. It's yummy. Mm-hmm. Uy, it's super hot. Super hot, guys. And this is our cheesy crab stick lumpia is done. It's super yummy. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye.